Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to set up a newsletter layout with custom text columns in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs on your desktop web browser. Place your cursor at the beginning of the text you want to turn into columns, or press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select your entire document layout. Go to the top menu bar and click on Format. Hover your cursor over columns in the drop-down menu options. Select either the 2-column or 3-column icon from the quick menu layout to instantly convert your text. For custom column adjustments, click on Format, hover over Columns, and click directly on More Options. A Column Options pop-up window will appear on your screen layout. Type your desired column spacing value into the Spacing Inches box to adjust the gutter gap between your text columns. Check the box next to Line Between Columns if you want to insert a clean vertical separator line between your text columns. Click the blue Apply button at the bottom right corner of the window to save your custom layout settings. To force text to jump to the top of the next column, place your cursor where you want the split. Click Insert in the top menu bar, hover over Break, and select Column Break. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.